What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, today I'm just gonna talk about my mission tree. So, here I go. This is my, what I call it? My mission tree. And I just came up with it. Instead of putting away my, all of Christmas, I decided to collect ornaments that represent what I want to accomplish this year. So, of course, me being at the top. Yeah, find my king. Yeah, right. Complete a half marathon. Keep believing and dreaming. That's what this unicorn represent. This is, of course, give all thanks and glory. Keep God as my center. I don't know if y'all can see that well. It's a cute little church, a pink church. Keep my business going. This just represent like a delivery truck. This is represent travel because it remind me of New York. Keep travel. I didn't knock myself down. This represents all stages of my heart, of my life. This is love, believe, and give. I see trees as giving. So that's what that represents. And just other stuff, Wonder Woman, because I'm strong. Keep moving forward. The strength is already in you. My little cute reading gorilla, it represents just to always be strong, focused, and stay mindful of what your intentions are. Look how cute he is. Hey, cutie. Yes, and this is because I love music and just stay grounded and keep jamming. What's up? I got a black lady, the angel, and just another representation of people who have come before me and that will come after me. Just always be willing to receive as well as give, and that I have protectors around me here on earth as well as in heaven. My little gnomes are just there because they're cute. And I just moved them from another room. Anyway, shoes represent taking steps, leaps, and bounds. And I just think it's cute. And the birds represent, they are cute, like I mentioned, but they represent flight, And then the popcorn is stay entertained and focused. It's supposed to give like a more movie theme and represent kind of like my YouTube. I know that was like really far a grab. That's what that is. So, booyah. Did I see her good enough? Yes. So that's what that tree represents to me. So anyway, thank you guys for watching today's video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Doses. Doses.